All right, moving on. Facebook rules the social media world, but on Thursday it touched a record loss of $120 billion in a single day in U.S. stock market history. From Wednesday, Facebook had started losing billions of dollars in its market value, which on Thursday was recorded as the highest ever loss made by any company. After Facebook presented its second quarter report, its shares were down by more than 19%. Facebook lost around $120 billion in its market value. This is the biggest one-day market cap loss by any company in the history of the U.S. markets. The market value of Facebook on Wednesday was at $630 billion, but after losing $119 billion, that figure came down to $510 billion at Thursday's close. After the biggest one-day slide, around $17 billion were lost from founder Mark Zuckerberg's net worth. Facebook earned a revenue of $13.23 billion, though market analysts had projected it to cross a value of $13.36 billion. Wall Street had expected from the tech giant to cross the global daily active users by 1.49 billion, though it could manage to touch only 1.47 billion users in this quarter. The internet firm has reported that daily active users rates were up 11% year-on-year basis for this quarter, but this figure did not live up to the expectations of analysts as well. Now, this rise somehow was supported by the user data of the Indo-Pacific region led by India, Indonesia and others. It looks like people in the Indo-Pacific region might still believe in Facebook's capacity to protect their data. But Facebook's user base in Europe has been declining since the Cambridge Analytica scandal and the introduction of general data protection regulations in the European Union. The user base in Europe reported by the company is 279 million, 0.4 million less than what Wall Street expected. Now, average revenue per user was also on the lower side. The company earned $5.97 per user globally. Surprisingly, Facebook had lost the earnings from its advertisements. Facebook had $13.04 billion of advertisement earnings. Market had projected it at $13.16 billion. Let's get back in history and see some of the biggest losses in a single day in the U.S. stock markets. So there you go. Facebook's Chief Financial Officer, David WION, has said that they will continue their focus on privacy issues and will make them better as we go forward. Media analysts believe that the company will bounce back in the next quarter.